Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, I've clearly explained you that natural gas is moving in this zone for quite some time. Okay, you can say around 4-5 weeks it is there. So if the price started going again above a level of 2.9106, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, and then there is a higher chances of going further high because these levels are already being tested. So chances of crossing a level of 3.13 will be there, and this level is already being tested, so chances of crossing this level we can see, and then it can cross a level of 3.18, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside. Now if the price keep moving above a level of 2.89, there is a pattern. This is the pattern supporting this particular trend, and chance of going towards 2.96 will be there, and from there it will cross a level of $3, and then it will cross a level of 3.14. So then there will be a probability of crossing this level, then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see towards 3.2, and then a further upside. Looking at this particular chart, what we can see whenever it is making a new high, you have to understand the profit booking comes. Okay, because see, if you look at HND and HNU, you have to understand these are the level where EFTs. Okay, so when the price of natural gas increases, as we know that the price of HNU increases, as well as the price of HND moves down when it started moving below. Okay, chances are high that there is a chances that the natural gas price can move upside, and there is higher chances that it can cross a level of $3 also as soon as the price started going up $2.85. Okay, a level of around $2.89, and once started moving off this level, this probability that it can cross this particular level of 3.2 and can make another level of 3.3, and then can go further upside. Okay, so we can see HNU can go on the positive side towards an upside. Okay, but if started going below this level, then what we can see further down, you have to understand that suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level or started going below a level of around 2.715, and if started moving below a level of $2.61, which is already being weak support, so chances of crossing this level we can see, and then it can go towards 2.4085 and then a further low. Okay, looking at this particular chart, what we can see, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. Looking at the dollar index, I've clearly explained you that if the price started going above a level of $102, there is a higher chances of going further upside. Okay, now the price is already above a level of 104.9. Okay, and it has already touched a level of $105.4. As I've already explained you this in the previous videos, you can check if the price started coming down towards $104.6, it can bounce back from this level. Okay, but if started falling below this level, we can see a level of 104.2, then to a level of 103.9, and then a further fall we can see below a level of around 103.3, then there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. Okay, and then we can see a strong level coming at a level of 102, and once the price started falling below 102, we can see further fall. Okay, when I'm saying the dollar index started going down, then the price of gas will go up. Similarly, if the price started going below a level of 104.6, it will go further down, so natural gas price will come up. But suppose if it started sustaining this level and go towards $105.2, and from there it will cross a level of 105.4, then there will be a zone breakout, so for the upside we can see towards 106 also, and then further high. So if the price of dollar index started going upside, we will see the natural gas price can come down. Okay, this is what we see, but sometime what happens, they both moves in same direction. So in that case, what you have to do, whenever you start your trade, try to keep the SL. Okay, so otherwise also you have to start with this, so you have to keep your SL, so your capital will be safe, and try to trail the SL if your profit is there. Okay, so once started making profit, try to trail the SL, so your profit will be there. Coming back on the natural gas price, what we can see there is a higher chances, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards $2.9154. Okay, and once the price started going above that particular level, chance of touching 2.9774 will be there. Suppose if the price sustaining above that level, chance of touching 3.184 will be there, and this level is already being tested. So we can see it will cross a level of $3.22. Then there will be a zone breakout. So further upside we can see towards a level of 3.3317, and from there a further high we can see towards a level of around 3.5, and then further upside. So this is the zone we can see. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, so you have to understand there is a higher chances that it can go further high. Okay, so probability will be there. As soon as the price started falling below this level, we can see it can go towards $2.7, and then a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2.68. Keeping that in mind, as soon as the price started going below 2.68, a probability of touching 2.62 will be there, and this level is already being weak, so chances of further fall we can see towards a level of 2.61. Okay, these are the support. So you have to understand, once the price started going below these levels, there is a higher chances of going further down. So you have to keep it in mind. These are the support where profit bookings comes, okay, or a bounce back comes. So you can trail your SL to these levels. So you should know, you can save your profit as well as your capital. So if started going below a level of 2.57, a further downfall we can see towards 2.37, and once the price started falling below 2.37, a further fall we can see towards $2.23, and then a further fall we can see towards $2. So once the price started falling below $2, a further downfall we can see towards $1.92, and then there will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm giving the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you new to my channel, subscribe it.